Next, I will explain to you about advanced textile machinery operation. Advanced textile machinery operation involves the operation of various components such as spinning machines, weaving machines, knitting machines, dyeing machines, and finishing machines. The process includes quality control, measures to ensure the production meets standards, maintenance procedures are essential to keep the machinery running smoothly. Safety protocols must be followed to prevent accidents. Overall, the operation of advanced textile machinery requires skilled operators who are knowledgeable in the various components and processes involved in the production of textiles. Next, I will explain to you about quality control. Next, I will explain to you about maintenance procedures. Maintenance. Start quiz challenge? The timer begins when you press start. What is the purpose of a dobby shedding mechanism in textile machinery?